Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
what's up?
So we are in center of Renon actually today. Winnie have a break from her work, so she decided that we have 1 hour to show you around this area. It's actually very interesting.
Yeah, so I've got a lunch break for 1 hour and we decided just show you how it is Denpasar city center, especially in Renon.
Which is like a business center, let's say. A business and many government buildings around and stuff like this. So check this out today.
It's very hot and then we just decided to buy a drink in the Starbucks, but look at behind me. You see, there are many police officers, pecalang, and then you know when we enter the mall here in the level 21, no, not this is in Plaza Renon actually. So when we park here, we asked the security that they said in the morning there was a demonstration, big demonstration here in this area. You see, pecalang and police officers still.
So this is the parking, this is the lovely police officers around, and this is the center of Renon. Here is even some car. There will be some demonstration around, but actually we don't know really what it's gonna be. And yeah, meanwhile, Starbucks is empty. Interesting fog. Meanwhile, inside the Plaza Renon Mall, except, well, not much is happening, only I can say that's it. Yeah. And this is United States of America Consulate over here. Basically, you can make everything here. Not like me, I have to go to the embassy. You can make it here in Renon. Police officer security of American Consulate is much bigger and stronger than my embassy in Jakarta. But that's
Oh my god!
You get
I
scared?
was scared because like you know with a big gun and then I walk and then he just oh my goodness. So yeah, this is behind me just next to the Plaza Renon. You know like there is a one what is it, American Consulate, right? So it's big and looks like embassy already. So for those American fellas who is living in Bali, so it's easier for you guys. You don't need to go to Jakarta. The small consulates here already help you with the administration and regarding everything.
And if you're interested of the name of the street, this is Jalan Hayam Wuruk, quite famous place. And it's quite busy here also. Completely different than tourist areas of Bali, like I said already few times.
Okay, so we just decided to move out from the Plaza Renon.
Honestly, too many people with the big guns around. It's different when you play Call of Duty or going to Afghanistan to the war, and different when you walk on the streets of Bali. You know, we are like people who are bintang on the beach or something, and here's too many people with guns. So we decided we move. However, we wanted to show you the very important information, especially for some people who needs administration stuff. This is the place in Bali where you can organize everything, basically everything. Either is you need to American Consulate or many other countries of consulates, or I don't know, many things.
Yeah, the purpose of our video is just to give you information, right? To regarding what offices that you need to go when you are living in Bali as an expat. Okay, so we passed the famous what is it called, Denpasar Monument, and this is the Renon area. You see that the hustle and bustle life in the afternoon. Yeah, it's really totally different from the other tourist places in Bali, right? Always busy. This is the area of many offices. Like on the right side here is BPJS Kesehatan, like health insurance offices, and here on the left side, this one is Kantor Imigrasi in Renon. So if you are living in what is it called, in area of Tabanan, Gianyar, and then you see there Swanbule is there already. So if you are living in Denpasar, Tabanan, Gianyar, Klungkung Regency, so whenever you need to extend your visa. You need to apply a new visa, and you register in the kantor imigrasi in Denpasar.
And here is headquarters of the post.
Yeah, this one is the biggest kantor post. So if you need to send something like abroad, or you send documents or
and
anything.
Here is the headquarters of Telkomsel. So if you need the SIM card and you wanna do it originally by yourself and have problems, you can go to headquarters. They will help you. They even speak English there. So everything is here, actually, everything.
And here on the left side is the big school, university. So you see that
even people cycling.
So we already passed immigration offices, and then this area is still in Renon. Yeah, we're gonna show you where the Australian and British Consulate. So this is the area of Australian and British Consulate. You see on the right side the police officer already there.
So over here we have British Consulate, and Australian will be somewhere next door, because I think we already passed it, because obviously the same queen, right?
Now we are heading to the center of the Renon. So on the left side here is the Consulate of Japan. So for the Japanese fellas, this is the consulate for you. Regarding your administration stuff, you can go there. And then here next to it is the Indian consulate. I saw it, Indian guy there. Alright, so here is the Jalan Cha Agung Tresna Renon. You see hustle and bustle life for lunchtime. And here is the famous food court in Renon. You see that there are so many warung, a restaurant. Yeah, basically that there are many choices, the food choices here. If you want to have a bakso, ayam goreng, lalapan, bebek goreng, so many choices. Alright, so it's actually there are many choices of food that I don't know. I'm a little bit confused what food that I want to choose, but I think that I want to eat nasi campur. We will go to the one warung that we used to go with Damian, and yeah, let's see. So now we are going to the bank. I need to withdraw money, and yeah, I decided to go to the bank which has the offices inside, because I read that some people already got a skimming in the ATM, so I didn't want to go to the dodgy ATM.
Alright, so because in Bali, if you're going to withdraw money and you see somewhere the ATM machine, but it's like looks dodgy because it's like on the middle of nowhere, like I think sometimes, I suggest you to better avoid this and better withdraw once bigger amount of money, but go to the bank, like proper bank, where is security, where is bank, so nobody will try to scam the play with the ATM in the bank. I mean, maybe, but it's so desperate if they're gonna do it, but it's definitely much more safer. And even if something happened with your bank, you can still go to customer service and solve your problems, right?
Yeah,
so yeah,
I was there, and then whenever I enter the bank, they also scan the Peduli Lindungi.
Oh yes.
So guys, this is seriously like whenever you are in Indonesia, you have to, what is it called, install the Peduli Lindungi. I'm not promoting the Peduli Lindungi, I'm just sharing you the information. So because sharing is caring, right?
Yeah, and by simple words, if you have no vaccine, you cannot go even to the bank. So that's how it looks like. Okay, lunchtime, yeah? I'm hungry already. Alright, so yeah, arrived to the warung, and seems like it's quite busy here even. So many security, parking people. They are very helpful actually in the situations like this. And meanwhile, that's how it looks center here. Let's go inside. Many bikes. Yo, what's up? Okay, if you're interested, the name like this, not paid endorsement. It's light, but it's so many nice food here, deep inside. This is like a champur, so you buy whatever you like. You just tell to the lady, and she will give you whatever you like. So many selection. I'm not gonna name everything. Anyway, you have a names. So many, yeah. Nice stuff. Oh, they have a round.
Kuning.
Nice. Yeah, that's how it looks. Inside. What's your other side?
Masih kuning.
That's how it looks like. We are sitting at the back, so we can peacefully show you the food. People not looking at us.
Okay, so I order nasi, what is it, kuning, and then ayam, and then pakis, tempe, and Damian have a chicken, rendang, what is it called, fish, and drinks,
donut.
dessert. It cost me 75k for all.
Alright guys, and I'm not picky about Indonesian food as somebody said. I'm just trying to eat what I feel as is safe for me, because you know, like Winnie was in the hospital because of typhoid or some sort of things like this, and I know how it's expensive bill after 1 week, you know. Nusa Dua hotels are much cheaper, honestly guys.
Well,
And eating my pizza, burger or something what I know as I'm gonna be healthy, I'm not gonna get to hospital for 1 or 2 weeks after that. It's still cheaper than that. But after that, if it's placed like this, which is safe, I really like it. Rendang, fish, stuff like this, no problem. So yeah, that's the reason. And
Yeah.
I like burger anyway.
yes, that's basically true. Like, if I'm not mistaken, 3 years ago or 2 years ago, I was very sick. I got typhoid, I got diarrhea, and then I was hospitalized for 1 week. you
After
know.
eating street food.
After eating street food, and then
And you are
for
local.
me, wait, for me it's just like typhoid. I already had typhoid is about maybe 3 or 4 times in my life, so it's fine for me. Hospitalized for Damian, so the price of hospital is actually more expensive than hotel in Nusa Dua. So yeah, what can I say? Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Renon. Places that you can visit regarding to the, you know, administration, consulates, immigration, and everything, the important places that you should know when you are decided to live in Bali as an expat. Yeah, I think that's all our video today. I hope that this information is useful for you. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Smaj nego, selamat makan.